Good evening, dear all. My name is Sai Samir Surmure. I am a counselor, a transactional analyst, a therapist, and a speaker. I have been taking a lot of workshops on different subjects, and today, the reason why I'm connecting with you all is to talk about two very important things which are required for any child who has completed graduation and is looking out for a job outside. Those are communication skills and personal grooming. So, out of a lot of things, these two things have been selected, and I'm going to talk about them today to you all. When we are talking about relationships are important everywhere, whether they are official relationships or personal relationships, and everything goes around two things of being understood and understanding what others are talking to you. So, here we are going to learn this as an art. Okay, so art of conveying what you mean. Let us now talk about communication skills in all. So, communication skills comprises of three very important things. The very first one is 7% of spoken words, 38% of voice and tone, and 55% of body language. So, imagine how we smile, how are our facial expressions, how is our body language is very, very important. Okay, your voice and tone is another thing. So I can talk, speak the same line exactly the same way, but then the tone and the voice is different, and that makes all the difference about the understanding about what I'm talking to others. Okay, so why are we talking about these two things? Why are they so important? So when we're talking about this, let's just see the world around us currently. So when we would work around 10 years back, 12 years back, 14 years back, when I started working, physical files were very important. We would get files, we would work on those files, and then pass on those files to our seniors. And there was a lot of paperwork which would happen that time. But now our communication is majorly related to our emails, mobiles, through webinars, video conferencing. Now in COVID, it is even more of video conferencing going around. Okay, so why is all this happening? This is also because time is limited that each one of us has, and it's also very costly. We meet our bosses, our immediate bosses, also through appointments, and so we have to be very precise about what we are going to talk of, in whatever is the given time. Now, even more important is the written skills are also very important. We would be meeting people, and then making our own presentations, presenting them in front of the people. So where we need to use good communication skills, at the same time, how we present it is also very important. How did I dress up? How fresh was I looking, whether there was a smile on my face or not. So many things are important. Okay, so along with technology, what is very important is that we also have good skills to get ourselves, you know into a good organization. So, how do we do all these things? We do this by learning communication skills and many other general subjects which are going to be there as a part of a curriculum that I'll talk to you. Okay, so when we're talking about being able to get yourself placed into an organization or starting your own company, relationships and life skills are still a very important part and aspect of this. So, though everything is technology based, we all need to handle human beings around us with care. Yes or no? So, like, my emotions are important for myself, emotions of someone else's are also important for me. So, life skills and correct attitude is of utmost importance. Imagine if you have good relationships with people in your house and people outside. outside your house, people where you travel, maybe your own classmates, maybe your own office mates where you're working. So what happens with this is when the relationship is cordial and good, you get good support from people around you. They always will make you feel good about yourself. At the same time, they will also give, if there are seniors, they will give you good advice where you can have good growth in your in your working place. So that is the reason we still work on relationships and life skills a lot. So so that's the reason communication skills and personal grooming is very important. Now look at these two photographs that you can see. There is a lady and a man. Immediately, if I ask any one of you, which one would you recruit from the man, from the same man? You will say that the second one is someone who's well groomed and I'd like to pick him up for a job. Similarly, if you were given a choice about this woman whom you can see on this slide, you would have chosen the first one because she looks well groomed. Look at her hair, look at her entire face, look at the smile that she has on her face. So, this is why personal grooming is also an important part of this curriculum. So every minute thing is going to be counted. Your first impression is also very important. So let me now talk to you about a course called as BVOC. BVOC is a bachelor's course which you will be able to learn from St. Peter's College in Vasai. And there are two specializations in this course. There is one which is journalism. There is another which is graphics. Okay, graphics and multimedia. So either of these you can choose. This course can be enrolled by any child after their HSC, and then it's a 3 years course where you will be learning different subjects. And the curriculum that is going to be this BVOC course is actually being given through Tata Institute of Social Studies. I hope all of you all are aware of it. It's a premier institute, and so all the curriculum comes from there. And who are going to teach you this curriculum entirely? Okay, so this curriculum is being taught is going to be taught to you all through faculties from the same professional areas. So if you're learning journalism and if you're learning something related to advertisement into it, you will be having faculties from the advertisement sector teaching you these subjects. So it's going to be hands on. How? Because you're learning directly from people who are into that industry, first thing. Second thing is you're also going to have internship inbuilt inside this program. So you're going to actually go and work outside into the industry. Now, and both these subjects, though technically are well, are the best available, you also need to be groomed well, to be to be speaking properly, to to make yourself sellable. So for example, I may have n number of knowledge about my own subject, but if I'm not able to display that knowledge in front of people, it will become a problem. That's where a faculty like me will be stepping in this course. So I will actually be teaching the general subjects of communication skills and personal grooming into this program to all the kids who enroll for this program, of course. So also the teaching methodology is going to be with quizzes, activities, and there'll be a interactive way of doing this program. So what happens is you will not even understand, and all these skills will get imbibed into your personality and will become very handy for you all to get into the industry. Also, moreover, this course is designed in such a manner that if you actually take interest, learn well, and finish it and do the internship also, you can also become an entrepreneur. So you are taught into that manner also. So So what you need to do is to get yourself enrolled for this course. Okay, you can either call on this number which is flashing right now, okay, which is flashing right now over here, or you can actually get in touch through an email. On this number, you can speak to Mrs. Seema Patel, who is handling the entire admission process. Of course, there's a process how you can get yourself admitted into the program. Thank you very much. We will definitely meet if you enroll for this course. Thank you for all the time. See you all soon.